Learn how to design your wall gallery like a pro with the expert tips and tricks to optimize your space and showcase your favorite memories in style. Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Elizabeth, an interior designer, and I talk about interior design on this channel. I've grouped the layouts into 4 groups. Group 1 is the minimalist, where we'll talk about the perfect, classic trial, and simple grid. Group 2 is the grid layout, where we'll talk about the classic, centerpiece, and Mondrian. Group 3 is axis layout. We'll talk about the axis, internal axis, and spiral. And the last group is eclectic layout, where we'll talk about modern and retro. Now let's learn how to do the layouts, and we are starting from the layout number 1, which is the perfect pair. The perfect pair is a layout characterized by 2 items often placed side by side. It's a minimalist approach highlighting 2 key pieces with matching frames or artwork. The layout is ideal for spaces where simplicity and balance is the desired aesthetics. Number 2 is classic trio. The classic trio layout features a grouping of 3 items, often arranged in a row or column, providing a sense of balance and symmetry. You can use this layout to showcase a series of related pieces or create a classic and timeless look. Number 3 is simple grid. The simple grid emphasizes on order and neat lines. The arrangement places artwork or family photos in a square or rectangular grid with uniform distances between the elements. It's a popular choice for modern house decor because of its sleek, contemporary appearance. Number 4 is classic. The classic gallery wall layout is a balanced arrangement that typically includes an even number of items. Artwork or family photos are often placed at the same height and evenly spaced. It creates a timeless and symmetrical display. Number 5 is centerpiece. In the centerpiece layout, one item serves as the focal point, often placed in the center, with the items radiating outwards. It draws attention to the central piece while allowing additional items to complement it. Number 6 is Mondrian. Inspired by the art of Piet Mondrian, a grid of squares or rectangles characterizes the layout. Each square or rectangle is filled with a different item, creating a dynamic and visually engaging display. It's an excellent choice for those who appreciate a touch of modern art in their decor. Number 7 is axis. The axis layout features artwork or family photos aligned along the bottom or the top edge. Items are placed on either side of the axis, creating a balanced yet a dynamic look. It's a versatile layout that you can adopt to various styles. Number 8 is internal axis. Similar to the axis layout, the internal axis features an imaginary line running through the middle of the arrangement. However, in this case, items are placed symmetrically on either side of the line. The layout offers a unique and slightly off-center balance. Number 9 is spiral. This layout style is lively and fun. The focus point is located in the center of the circular arrangement of artwork or family photos. It's an unusual decision that gives the area more movement and vitality. Number 10 is modern. The modern gallery wall layout often features a mix of different sized items positioned in a slightly irregular yet visually appealing manner. The style embraces creativity and individuality, making it suitable for contemporary and eclectic interiors. Number 11 is retro. The retro layout draws inspirations from the mid-century design. It typically includes items with a vintage or retro vibe, arranged in a way that reflects the aesthetics of that era. It's a perfect choice for those who love a touch of nostalgia in their decor. Each gallery wall layout has its unique character, and your choice will depend on your style, the item you want to display, and the atmosphere you wish to create in your space. If you like this type of content, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you each time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.